Hello guys, my name is Rushmead. Welcome to the tutorial on how to install ForgeGradle with Forge and everything for Intelij 13 idea. So, to start off with, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to head to the Intelij website, download the community edition and install it. Once you've done that, you're going to need to go to files.minecraftforge.net, and depending on what version you're going to use, I recommend not using 172 because it's not fully ready yet. Yeah, so I'm going to use 164, 964. 965 is not a ForgeGradle build. I repeat, 965 is not a ForgeGradle build, but 964 is. So I'm using that. I've already got it downloaded over here. Okay. So this is what I've got here. So what I'm going to do first of all is make a new folder called tutorial. Okay, open that up, drag it to the side, oh no, drag it to the side, there we go, and drag it to the side. Then we're going to go boom, boom, there we go. That's there, that's done. Okay, so next, what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to open up command prompt. Well, if you don't have what I have, you're going to need to go desktop. So wherever you've saved it, I've put mine on the desktop, just for the sake of this tutorial. Tutorial. There we go. So you need to go here on command prompt. Luckily, I have a neat little trick called command prompt here, and it automatically opens up for me. So what we're going to need to do is do Gradle. Actually, you need to do Gradle, and then you need to type in clean cache. Then you need to type in. So that's a double dash, refresh. And then dash.
Hi.
Hi user, I'm recording.
And I'm on your recording.
Fantastic! Hello guys, this is I'm Josh, he hosts DevCode, so you can join me while I do a tutorial on how to set up ForgeGradle with Intelij, whatever.
Never used Intelij.
Exactly why I'm teaching you. Okay, so you need to do Gradle, clean cache, dash refresh, dash dependencies, and that will first of all set it clean all your cache just to make sure that you haven't done this before and it's all ready to go so you don't get any errors. So while that does that, I'm just going to be back in. Okay guys, so it's finished, it's done that. Now you need to do Gradle, set up decomp workspace and an idea. Okay? And that will set up everything you need to set up ForgeGradle. So guys, I'll be back again once it's finished. Okay, so it's finished doing all its good stuff. It's the idea module workspace project, and if we go ahead into this tutorial folder, we see that all this good stuff is here. Fantastico! So if we head over to Intelij Idea Community 13, and we can close this. I'll clear it or go exit. Oh, that doesn't work. See? There you go. Magic. Anyway, so as soon as it's loaded, what we need to do is need to open up the project, and then I'm going to show you how to use git and get, and then put your code from either previous projects or from your code that you're going to develop using this onto GitHub. And all fine and dandy. Now I'm going to note that you want to go on to GitHub and find the Git client. I'm pretty sure if you head to github.com and you scroll to the bottom, it says oh no, not there. Or you just Google Git client. There you go. Where is it? GitHub for Windows. Windows.github.com. You go there, you click that button, download it, install it, and then I'll show you what to do then. So it's loaded up. Absolutely fantastic. So we want to go open project, and it should load up in a minute. I can close that now. Okay, there we go. It says choose where it's saved. So mine's in users, administrator, desktop. And then I've got to find Intelij. No, is it that one? No, it's just called tutorials. Nah. What? There we go. There you go. It's just trying to load from the last one. And then tutorial.ipr. Okay. and then it should load up the project. I'll be back once it's loaded.
Right, I didn't fall.
Okay, guys. So once that's done, so once it's opened, it should come up this screen. Now, as you can see on the bottom right, it says indexing, and it's got a little bar. Now that is just indexing all the files there are in the project. And as soon as that's done, you're ready to go. So it's searching for non-bundle program. Okay, it's done. Now what you can do is you can go Alt 1. And as you can see, open a file name, and it says open. Where is it? Oh, it's here somewhere. Okay, and you go tutorial, and so here is everything. Everything, boom chicka boom. This is where you can start programming. So, what you need to do, Java. Hello. There we go. No, you don't want to do that. Right click, new, and then package, and then so your dot name dot package dot mod name or something dot common or whatever, and then you just put your class in there and you're done. Okay, so that's how you set it up. Now what if you want to import some previous code to it? How do you do that? So as I told you earlier, you're going to need something called GitHub Windows client. So you get that. I'm just letting mine load now. As it loads. Here it is. So I've got some of my old plugins. I don't actually use any of these anymore, which is quite useful. So that's gonna pull all this stuff as in hopefully not. Okay, so I've got quite a few of mine not pulled down on here. So I'm going to grab my current Better Buildcraft Blocks code. I'm going to clone it down onto the... Oh no, oh god. Okay, so it should do that. And you can go to its location by clicking. It's here. Here it is. Boom, boom, boom. Now, what you can do is you can look at this. So this is all the ignore files. You can add ignored files. I have all the my Buildcraft code ignored. Okay, so it's in sync. So I want to open an Explorer. I want to see where it is. Okay, it's in My Documents, GitHub, and then Better Buildcraft Blocks. Well, what if I don't want it there? I want it in my source. So how am I going to do that? Well, Git client is all good and everything, but it doesn't do the job that we want it to do. So if you have code that you want to just download and you want to drag it and drop it and you're going to update it, that's fine. But if you're one of those developers that always wants to be able to quickly push it without having to copy and paste code over, then you can still use this. Just it's not as good. So what I've got installed is git bash. So if you go to git, if you type in git bash, oh, that's not right. Git bash. Type that into here. It goes git -scm/downloads. Download that, install that, and you should get git bash. Now, hopefully, I'm fingers crossed. See git bash. See, when you right click in a folder, git bash, open. Okay, so here it is. I want to go git clone and get the link of my repository, and that's in /rushmead/better buildcraft blocks. That is my repo. I can't speak today. Anyway, and you want this HTTPS clone URL. You want to copy that. You want to go over here. You want to go right click on this top right left corner, edit and paste. Okay, and it should clone it into a folder called, if we go back into tutorial, Better Buildcraft Blocks. And as soon as it's done that, boom, that's all my code's there. Perfect. Now what we're going to do now? Well, what we're going to do there, as you can see in Intelij, let's open Better Buildcraft Block. Well, really, we don't need this folder anymore, so we can delete source. Wrong on that tutorial. So instead of main being the actual source, Java is the actual source, if you think about it, and resources is resources. So what you got to do, sources is sources, Java is sources, and then resources is resources. Bit confusing. If you don't understand, make sure you comment below, and that you can contact me IRC #Minecraft, no, #Minechem I'll be in there most of the time. Oh my god, 69 warnings. GG. Anyway, I'll see you guys next time. Hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. If you didn't get it working, make sure you contact me and I'll be back. Someone. Goodbye.